Alright, welcome to this tutorial, and we'll be looking into the function of each buttons on the panels we have on Pixellab interface. And in this tutorial, we'll be looking at the second to the last panel, which is the fourth segment of the interface, and that's your projects and your defaults, or should I say follow-come backgrounds. Okay, so whenever you start your project, you have this default. This is what you have, but you can change it depending on the project you want to work on. Most times I don't use these defaults, but there are times when they might suit your desired project. So just click on it, and you can start working from there. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Now another one I want you to see is the last button by the left. So you see my project. So every project you have worked on and is saved will be on this place. Start. Okay, you have everything here, so you can select any one of them. Start. Okay, you can select any of them, like this guy. Okay, oh, I remember this tutorial. Start. Okay, you can select any of them, anyone. Start. Okay, you can select any one of them. Okay, we just use this in our we use this in a tutorial. Okay, so that's it. Doesn't matter how long you have done it, as much as it's still saved in your in your Pixellab folder on your phone, they will be here. So that's that about your about this. Start. Okay, and this panel is actually the option panel for the last panel. You discover that this connected circles by the line at the last, this guy, don't mind me, I call it almost everything guy. So this button is highlighted, selected. If I click on this, discover that the things here will change, right? Start. Okay, so this particular space is like the option panel, just like we have in Photoshop, Illustrator, and other softwares, right? It's like the option panels for your menu. So you can call these guys menu, right? And this place is your option panel. Is that okay? So we're going to check out the other menus we have. So majorly this is for your projects and your backgrounds. This is for your text. Right now, when you select this and none of your text is selected in your project, in your workspace, you have these two options: to create a text or to create a code. When we select the text, you see my options have come alive. Right now, if I select this, I have options to create all these guys. If I select a shape or a picture or an image, I have these options, they come alive, right? And this is to work on my backgrounds, my default backgrounds. Start. Okay, and this is effects for my background. So we're going to check all of these menus in other tutorials. Alright, so just check them out and find out how each of those options work for each menu. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, get notifications. Have a wonderful day or night.